Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to this video. So today I'm gonna teach you how you can make use of your Google form with your Google Sheet plus Microsoft Excel together with XAMMP as our local host and some coding skills in order to make a database. So we all know that our form is an online form and it can collect responses. So these responses can be transferred into Google Sheets right here, and we can download the file in an Excel format. So you just have to click the file here and then download, and then you can choose the format you want. You can directly download it to comma separated values or CSV, which is the one that can be used to create database. So that's a straightforward action, but we want to download it as Microsoft Excel because I've told you in the first part of our video that we are going to use Microsoft Excel. Alright, so why is it? Because I can still do some editing with Microsoft Excel before I converted it to CSV. Okay, that's how I want it to be. So you click this, you download this, and it's in here. So when you click the download, I have it here, coding compilation. If you can see it on your part, I hope you can. There you go. After you were able to download the document in its Excel format, the next thing you should do is to check if there are errors. Alright, so this one, as you can see, it doesn't have a working link. So this means that the submission is not correct and it will cause errors. Other programs might depend on your database, and these programs will not work well if your data is not correct. So as you can see, if this is a link, they will not be able to reach the page. So what is your error handling procedure? So at least you will direct the user to a page which tells you that this page does not exist. So that page is called 404 page. So the URL doesn't exist, or the page is or the link is broken, something like that. So all we have to do is to copy this one. So that means that there's no submission. So the student were not able to submit their project. Okay, so put it here, and then you just have to paste it. Okay, when you paste it, and make sure that every data is correct. So in this case, this is our heading. This will be the column heading for the database. But it seems at first glance this heading is has no problem. But the problem with spaces is that when you are doing the PHP and MySQL programming, they have difficulty in reading the spaces. Alright, so I'm making it to a point that this can be made into one word. So as a reference for my coding language, to make it less complicated when it comes to programming. So I'm going to name it as why not join them. Let's set full name. Yes, the word full name for day-to-day use has no use. That means it's not a word, it's not a proper compound word. So but it's coding, so you can make use of any codes, okay, or any word, any variable. So that's it. You can go ahead and save it, why not? Okay, so and there's another version of this document, which is the CSV version. And how to do that, you save it into the CSV format. So you click file here, and then save as. Click save as, and then choose the folder you want, say G4 data, and then here save as type. I hope you can see that. You choose CSV MSDOS, alright, or CSV delimited. I use CSV MSDOS. I find that it has no errors when I am trying to import coming from import or export the file into my database. There's no error or less or minimal error at all. Alright, so I'm not going to click save because I have the correct file, so I do not want to change them anymore. So as is. So I'll just have to show you this thing. So as you can see there, everything seems fine. So this is the CSV format. I have here the full name. Ooh. Yeah. So we can now use our CSV file as a database, but we need to import it into our XAMPP. Okay, so if you don't have XAMPP yet, I highly advise that you download XAMPP for you to be able to practice your web hosting coding skills with less money. Alright, so this is free, and you can just download it from SourceForge, okay, or File Hippo. Okay, so I'm going to put the link, okay, where you can get your XAMPP down in the description box below. So we click open. We run this program. Okay, so I'm opening the XAMPP control panel by now. So let's just wait. So this is the control panel. You have to start Apache, okay, and MySQL. Okay, so MySQL is the one that controls your database. Okay, so here you can see that there are two buttons. When you click this admin button, it will direct you to the home page of the Apache localhost. So it will display every folder that's inside your HT docs. Alright, if you click this admin, it will open up the PHP my admin site. Okay, let's just do that, where we'll start navigating and try to import our database. So here it goes. So this is our dashboard, and you can see that I have here some databases already. So I'm gonna make use of YT University. Okay. Alright, so it's loading. This is not a live database, so don't worry if you commit errors. Oh, this one, YTU. So this is for my WordPress, I forgot. So here are tables inside my database, okay, and as you can see, I already have imported it once. Okay, so let's just check. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is delete, okay, or drop the table. Alright, so by checking this and clicking drop, so I can delete the table, okay, and show you the process on how I imported it. Okay, so there you go, the table is done, and none here. Alright, so here, structure, SQL, search, query, export, import. Okay, we click import, and we just have to choose the file. Okay, choose the file. So where is your file? You navigate to the folder where your CSV file is located. So it's in here, Johnson's D4D. Okay, so this one is the CSV that we want. So you can see here, Microsoft Excel, comma separated values. Click open. Alright, so down below, so you have to check this. Update data when duplicate key is found on import, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you also have to check this one. The first line of the file contains the table column names. So if this is unchecked, the first line will become a part of the data, which we do not want. Okay, so and then start import. So there you go. So says here 21 rows inserted. Okay, so this is the MySQL code. Okay, so if you want to repeat the process, you just have to copy these two codes and then paste and paste. Okay, so on and so forth. Alright, so let's go check. So this one is our database. Yay! So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something on how to create your database using Google Form, Google Sheet, Microsoft Excel, and then your XAMPP. Okay, so bye guys.